Hi, it's Ken, and I just want to share with you my experience. Yesterday, I pitched my startup to a potential investor, and guess what? I got rejected. Yeah. Well, at first, I thought it was okay, but yesterday was different because I put a lot of expectations on that meeting. And when I learned that I am being rejected, I feel so disappointed in myself. But then I remembered something. If I let this one rejection stop me, how am I supposed to lead this company through hundreds of challenges that are still ahead? So, also, building a startup isn't just about getting a yes every day, but instead, it's about how you keep the courage every after you get a negative results. So, I told to myself that whenever I will get another rejections in the future, I will make sure that I will stay on my track, and I will keep talking to my target customers, and I will continue refining my pitch and my business plan in order for me to become a better and effective leader. So, to all aspiring startup founders, please protect your vision because rejection is just a feedback, not your identity. So, yeah, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you on the next vlog.